How to use Buffer for social media management. First, enter your email and click Get Started for free. Once you've done that, let's start with Buffer. They're gonna ask a couple of questions here. All you need to do is just answer them if you want, or you can also skip them. Let's say our focus is Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube. Let's continue. Now let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is connect our channels. So let's connect to Instagram. So now let's connect our channels. Let's connect to Instagram and make sure you change to a professional account. Let's do art and let's finish the connection. Now let's allow everything on YouTube. And now let's do TikTok. Now once you're done with that, we can create new and then post. And then you can choose which social channels you want to publish to. You can also customize the post for each platform if needed. What you can also do is use the calendar. Now instead of publishing immediately, you can choose a specific time and date. So you can set time and date. Let's say I want whatever I've prepared to post, I want it to be done tomorrow at this time. You can also use the AI assistant to help you with the captions or really whatever you want. Now after you do that, you can go to the home and you can see all of the comments from different social medias that people have commented, all in one place. Another thing that I want to talk about is the Explore Buffer API. So let's get started with this. Let's select new key. And there you go, now you have your API key. The API key is like a password or secret access token that lets one application securely communicate with another application's services. So, for example, imagine you're building a Shopify app with Claude that automatically posts new products to Buffer. Your app would send a request like, "Hey Buffer, here's my API key, please create this social media post." And then Buffer checks, is the API key valid and doesn't have permissions to post. If yes, it publishes the post. Make sure you keep your API keys secret. We can now go to the insights. Depending on your plan, you can review post performance, engagement, reach, audience growth, clicks, and top performing content. These insights help you understand what content performs best so you can improve future posts. More advanced analytics are available on paid plans. So we can go to the upgrade plan, and here are the paid plans. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.